In today's video, I'll teach you how to clear cache of Facebook app. So if you want to clear the cache of Facebook application, what you have to do is simply go to the app library of your device. Find the application for Facebook and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, tap on this option storage and cache that you can see in the app info interface. Or instead of doing that, you can also go to the settings of your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Scroll down, find the option for storage and tap on it. Now what you have to do is tap on the option apps that you can see in this interface. Now you'll be able to see all the applications over here. Tap on the option Facebook. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. Over here you can see two options, manage space, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here the cache of the application will be cleared. After you clear the cache of the application, your application will start to work smoother. So like this, you'll be able to clear the cache. So that is how you clear cache of Facebook app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.